RedmiBook. RedmiBook and Mi branded laptops could launch in India anytime soon, going by teasers from Xiaomi India's leadership. While the company is yet to make an official announcement, Xiaomi India Managing Director Manu Kumar Jain along with key colleagues have started teasing the new launch through their social media accounts. The RedmiBook and Mi Notebook models have been long anticipated in India. Xiaomi was even spotted getting a trademark for its RedmiBook brand in the country earlier this year. Last month, tipster Ishan Agarwal claimed that Jain recently intimated retailers about the launch of the RedmiBook and Mi Notebook models in the country soon. Agarwal, however, noted that the executive didn't provide any concrete date or timeline for the launch. Xiaomi has not yet announced its plans to enter the market of notebooks with its new models. However, the Chinese company already secured a trademark for the RedmiBook brand that was spotted in January. In China, Xiaomi has Mi Notebook Pro 15, Mi Notebook Air, and Mi Gaming Laptop as a few laptops under the Mi brand. The company also recently expanded its RedmiBook lineup in the Chinese market by launching the AMD Ryzen 4000 series-powered RedmiBook 13, RedmiBook 14, and RedmiBook 16 models.